Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face from any picture using Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you will see the plus icon as well as the open button that you can use in order to open up your image that you want to edit. Now, once you open up your image, if there is any person's face that you would like to blur, simply tap on Tools and then tap on Lens Blur. Now, first of all, drag this pointer to a corner far away from the person that you don't wish to blur. Then use the blur strength and then increase it to your desired level. After setting up your desired blur level, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner to apply your changes. And now tap on Edit Stack at the top. From here, tap on View Edits and then tap on Lens Blur once again. From here, you can tap on the Stack Brush option and now you can just zoom in within your image and highlight the person's face that you wish to blur. Once this person's face has been highlighted, you can just tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now your blur has been applied to your photo right away. You can change the level of blur once again from the settings option and it will be applied to your photo once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to blur someone's face using the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.